Hey guys, happy Monday. Today was the day we released the Tamco Takeover 2021 tickets today. You guys have been asking for them. We finally released them. So when you click on the website and you go to the Tamco Takeover event, which you will see in two different places on the website, you'll be able to click on that and find the class that you most want to take. That will be the class that you actually pay your $300 ticket for. That $300 is a flat rate $300 fee. That means it gets you in for the entire week, which is the 3rd through the 7th of May. It's going to take place at Langley Speedway in Hampton, Virginia, like last year. And when you click on the link, you're going to see about 15 different classes that you can take. Pick the one that you most want to take. That will be the class that you take for the first 2 days of the event that you're there. Every class seems to do best with about a 2-day time period in which you're learning and being instructed by your teachers. It does the best in 2 days. If some of the classes aren't going to take 2 days, then we will just put you into the next class right after that. If you decide that once you're in the class and it's not something that you want to do, that's not a problem. You can just approach me and we will get you put into the class that you want to do right after that. So you may feel that you're in the class and it's just not something that you're looking to do, which I think is honestly highly unlikely. But if that were to arise, simply ask me and we'll put you into a different class. So again, $300 is the flat rate fee. That's one of the most commonly asked questions is, does it $300 per class or is it for the entire fee, for the entire event? It is $300 for the entire event. 5 days, 8 to 5 every day. The Friday will be like last year where it's kind of like the wild card class. So really it's going to be organized classes for 4 days. The 5th day is going to allow you to do whatever you want to do. If maybe there was a class you could not take, you can take that class on Friday. So classes will be had on Friday, but they will not necessarily be as organized. It'll be more a wild card day where things can happen. You can mingle, you can go check out other things you didn't get to see. You can go take a class you didn't have time for. So obviously with 15 different classes, you're not going to be able to take 15 different classes in a week's time frame. So pick the one that you most want to do, the one that interests you the most. And then after that, we will fit you into a couple other ones as well. So things like pinstriping and stuff like that, that will allow you to go into other classes within a day or two if you want to. The auto body class, you can go into a different one, whenever you decide you want to. So we have some new instructors on board this year. I'm working on one more instructor that I hope will say yes, and it will team up with one of the instructors we already have. So there's a really good range of people this year to be able to learn from. Everybody has been supportive of using Tamco that is an instructor. There are people that you can learn a lot from, a lot of tech information that you can learn as well. So we hope to see you there. Again, it's $300 flat rate. One ticket gets you in the entire week. Pick the class you most want to take and go from there. We will be getting a room rate with the Hyatt like we did last year. We have not secured that yet. It's still kind of soon, but we will be getting you that rate where you can start booking your rooms and get a reduced rate when you mention Tamco Takeover. This is something that you can fly into or drive. If you choose to fly, Norfolk International and Newport News International are the two airports to fly into. If you choose to fly in somewhere else and drive, you can as well, but those are the two that people can do. You can Uber, you can rent a car, you can car share with other people at the event. That is what people did last year. There's plenty to do. It's going to be warm in May. It's going to be nice weather. It's going to be an outdoor event, so you'll be able to be outdoors. I would bring a jacket just in case, but in May and in this area, it typically is perfect weather, absolutely perfect weather. So I know it'll be better weather than last time, even though in November we had epic weather as well. So we're going to have 3 food trucks this year. We're going to have the epic taco truck back with the amazing margaritas that they had. So look forward to that as well. Again, $300 flat rate, 1 full week. Any instructor you want for your ticket, and they will mingle you into the other classes as the time goes on. We appreciate the support. Hope to see you in May. Take care, guys.